taking your next part, surds. Next part, surds. And what is surds? In general, if n and n is not equal to 1 is a rational number, a is a positive real number, and root a is an irrational number, then nth root a, how to read this? Then nth root a is called a surd. Here this sign is called a radical sign, and here this number is n is called the order of the surd, and this a is called the radicand. And if n is equal to 2, suppose here we are not writing 2, but suppose nothing is 2, then n is equal to 2, the surd is called a quadratic surd. Then I will give you direct examples from practice set. Practice set 2.3. Practice set 2.3. State the order of the surds given below. Surds, and I am making two columns. Surds and order. First, cube root 7. The order of the surd is 3. Then second, square root 12. This is the factor, this is not the order, so here nothing is 2. Then third, fourth root 10. So order is 4. Order is 4. And remaining 2 you solve. State which of the following are surds. Second question, cube root 51. In that, cube root 51. Cube root 51. State which of the following are surds. This number is surds or not. So here, how to start? Its surds or not. Here order 3 is a natural number. 51 is a real number. And cube root 51 is an irrational number. Therefore, cube root 51 is a surd. Because we can't take the cube root of 51. If suppose this is a 27, so cube root 27 we can take 3. Suppose here is 8, cube root 8 is equal to 2, but we can't take the cube root of 51. Therefore, this total number is a surd. See, second example from this. Second example, fourth root 16. Here, 4 is a natural number. 4 is a natural number. 4 is a natural number. 16 is a real number. Fourth root 16 is 2. Fourth root 16 is equal to 2. 2 is not an irrational number. Therefore, fourth root 16 is not a surd. Then remaining in that cube root 81, fifth root 81 is a surd. But root 256, root 256 is not surd because the root 256 equals 16. Cube root 64 is also not a surd because cube root 64 is 4. Root 22 upon 7 is a surd. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. See question number 3rd. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds or unlike surds. This is root 52 and 5 root 30. So root 52 we get, this is a pure surd. Convert this surd into mixed surd. So factorize 4 into 13. Factorize 52 as 30. 13 4 is 52. We can take the square root of this. 4 is 2. This is 2 root 13. Now this number is 2 root 13. And this number is 5 root 13. As this factor is different, but radicand is same. Here is 13, here is 13. Therefore, root 52, if radicand is same, order and radicand is same, the given surds are like pairs. Root 52, 5 root 13 is a pair of like surds. Like surds. Is a pair of like surds. Then one more I will give you. Third one. 4 root 18. 7 root 2. So 4 root 18 is equal to 4 root factorize 18, 9 into 2. And this is 4 into, we can take the square root of 9 is 3 and root 2 as it is. So 4 3s are 12, 12 root 2. Now this surd is 12 root 2 and this surd is 7 root 2. The radicand is same, order is same. Therefore 4 root 18 comma 7 root 2 is a pair of like surds. Is a pair of like surds. Then simplify. I am taking remaining examples you try to solve. Simplify the following surds. Means given surds are pure surds. You have to convert that surds into mixed surds. In that first is root 27. So simplify the following surds. Root 27 is equal to, factorize root 27, 9 into 3. And we can take the square root of 9 is 3. So these surds we can simplify like this. In that again, suppose 250, third one is 250. Root 250. Root 250 is equal to root 25 tens are 250, and we can take the square root of 25 is 5 root 10. So simplification of this surd is 5 root 10. Then suppose fifth one is root 168. Root 168 is equal to, factorization of 168 is, multiply this number by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8. And again we can take the square root of 4, it's 2 root 42. When you factorize 42, 2 into 21 and 2 into 3 into 7. So we are not getting pair here, and we can't take the square root of this number. So simplification of root 168 is 2 root 42. And remaining questions I will take in the next book.